Hi there, students. Doleful. Okay, doleful is an adjective. You can have the adverb dolefully, and I guess you could even have a noun for the quality dolefulness. Okay, doleful means very sad, depressed. He spoke in a doleful voice. He spoke dolefully. He gave me a doleful look. He had a doleful expression on his face. Yeah, just very sad and depressed. He dolefully gave the people the bad news. Yeah, the dog looked at me dolefully, trying to ask for food, or maybe to ask for forgiveness for the terrible things he had done. Yeah, okay, so doleful. This is a word meaning sad. Yeah, I felt very doleful about the situation. Yeah, particularly in an expression, in a look, in the sound of somebody's voice. Yeah, the music sounds very doleful, very depressed, filled with grief, very mournful, something that evokes feelings of sadness. Yeah, the doleful ringing of the bell said that there was a funeral being held. Yeah, um, okay, so it's doleful, it's painful. Yeah, it's makes you sad. Yeah, I'm really sorry about your doleful loss. So, doleful, sad, gloomy, depressing, depressed, um, melancholy, somber, yeah, woeful, forlorn, wretched, yeah, woebegone, yeah, dolorous, yeah, clearly dolorous is related to this. Yeah, he took off his glasses and gave me a very doleful look. Okay, so yes, it's talking about being sad, being depressed. Yeah, um, uh, when bad things happen, then maybe people have doleful expressions. They talk about things dolefully. Yeah, um, yeah. So he dolefully left the pitch after the referee sent him off. Yeah. Okay. So in in a sad way, with a sad manner, miserable, depressing. Yeah. Um, I just don't know why this happened, he said dolefully. Yeah. So full of sorrow, sadness, and melancholy. Yeah, a long face with a doleful look on it. Yeah, he this music is far too doleful for a happy event like this, but it's particularly to do with the way that people look or sound or their expression. Okay, so what about formality? This word to me sounds a little bit literary. I think I'd probably give it something like a 6.5 in formality. He looked at me dolefully. No need to look at me so dolefully. I guess you could just about use it in an informal conversation. I think probably sad or miserable would be a much better word to use informally. Yes, use it in an essay is a great word for an essay. Yeah, he dolefully gave me the details of the tragedy. And then as to origin, okay, well, this one comes from Latin, yeah, from the verb doleo, meaning to hurt, yeah, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European dol, meaning to divide, yeah. Maybe it's got the idea of cut as well. Okay, so yeah, he gave me a doleful look. This is a very dolorous situation, the dolefulness of his look depressed everybody. There, I've managed to use the noun as well. Okay, so don't be so doleful about the situation. Things are going to get better. Yeah? Cheer up. Don't, such dolefulness is not becoming. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Doleful, dolefully, dolefulness.